Scientists in Flagstaff are working hard this holiday season trying to save Santa's reindeer. Our Whitney Clark introduces us to one of the researchers studying caribou at Northern Arizona University.
Researchers here at Northern Arizona University in Flagstaff are far away from the caribou populations that they'll be studying, but they hope that their work over the next several years will tell us a lot about how all of us are impacting the planet. Scientists say caribou are arguably the most important land animals in the Arctic, and this new perspective from a caribou collar camera may tell researchers why the population is dwindling.
We can look at these videos and understand the behavior of these animals in a way that we never have been able to before.
That's Berner, an assistant research professor at NAU. Over the last 2 decades, he says caribou populations in the Arctic have plunged about 56%.
Fundamentally, as humans, we have an obligation to protect plant and animal life on this planet, and caribou are one element of that biosphere.
Thanks to a more than $2 million grant using drones, satellites, and more, the team will try to understand how caribou are being impacted by climate change across northern Alaska and Canada. This map shows the area they'll be studying, each color a different herd. It falls in line with Berner's line of work.
So this type of research is really important because it gives us a better understanding of how Earth is actually changing. We know that the climate is warming, and the sort of work that we do allows us to better understand the impacts of that climate change.
The research is personal for Berner, who grew up in Alaska.
We've seen, as a kid, we could see the glaciers pulling back. We could see permafrost thawing up in interior Alaska. We could see wildfires becoming more prevalent across these northern landscapes.
For the first time, he's taking on animal ecology with a desire to better understand the role we play in shaping the planet. The research project will run for about the next 3 years. All of the information will be shared with wildlife managers in Alaska, be part of scientific papers, and much more. In Flagstaff, Whitney Clark, Arizona's Family.